Hey friends, if Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting all the time, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, move your computer closer to the router to isolate this possibility. Once this has been sorted out, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager, expand the list for network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one, and then update it and update the adapter. Now, if this helps, well and good. If this doesn't help, the next stage will be as follows. You will have to search for a new adapter. Okay. So go to amazon.com or any other website that you trust. Okay. And then search for Wi-Fi adapter and hit enter. And then you can buy any good Wi-Fi adapter because there is no other reason behind it. It can only be with the hardware if it's not with the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.